Hi, I'm Leanne Gunter. I'm the marketing manager at Rodem.
Hi, I'm Pat Morgan, Chief Creative Officer at Freshwater Creative.
Rodem is a systems integrator and distributor for sanitary processing equipment and fluid handling equipment. Rodem serves customers in the dairy, food, beverage, and pharmaceutical processing industries. We have worked with Graphic Village for at least 10 years. They were the natural fit for us when we were seeking a partner for branding in our new building.
Goals and objectives that we had for this project were to create a welcoming and accommodating home for Rodem in their new space. We wanted to take the opportunity to remind vendors, people who work here every day, employees, and the team at Rodem, how special what they do is and how much people care about it. That it makes an impact in the world in a lot of different ways, and we wanted to tell that story through the graphics. It's a 50-year story, and there's a lot of interesting components to it, and we wanted to make sure we were able to touch on as much of that as possible.
Rodem is very satisfied with the results of this project. We plan to continue to partner with Graphic Village on all of our upcoming print needs, large format, and all the other small stuff that we've been doing for years.